Hi friends, today I am showing you this performance metal garden hose. This is a high duty multifunctional adjustable garden hose nozzle or the sprayer for different use. So it comes with a manual and it's pretty easy to use. This is the hose sprayer and you can see the body is the metal body with the marks of 8 different multifunctions that you can turn with this arrow. So it's pretty easy to move, and these are the different functions or the spray. This is the volume it will be flushed from the hose to the nozzle. So like from close to high. So you can control the flow, and this is the rubber grip on the metal body so that it's easy to grip and use. This is where you will connect your hose. So I will show its demo outside so that you can see. So these are the controls that I mentioned. So I'm just attaching the hose pipe to this nozzle. So this fit well, there is no issue with the leak and anything. So these are the 8 different functions or the spray that I will show you here. Just turn it. You see a clicking sound and you can see the different functions of the water flow. And the good thing is the pressure is really high, like if you open it to the full, it will really go to the wear and you can feel that pressure in your hands. So you can also control the knob, the flow or the volume of the water. See, you can see the flow.